And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking north on 13th Street North. Just about an hour ago, we had some sunshine today, we had a little bit of wind, had some cloud cover as well, and that's all indicative of a mixed bag of things yet to come in the next few days. But in the meantime, speaking of supporting your local hockey, here's a chance to do just that and getting in on some free tickets, I might add. I do have tickets to give away for the upcoming Lethbridge Hurricanes game. So I'll clear the phone lines, and you can't call till 5:30 because we won't have the phone line open until then. But you know the drill. There's the number there, and good luck to all of you. I have a few tickets to give away, not too many. Right now, here's the conditions we're looking at. 4 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. As you saw in that shot there, we got down to -7 degrees at 8 a.m., +5 at 1 p.m. this afternoon. Our average for this time of year is -2. So temperature-wise, we're not doing too bad right now, but we are going to see things slide south on the scale temperature-wise as we get into the next few days. Right now, we're looking at fairly nice temperatures here in the south, a little further north, already picking up some of that cooler air mass. But really, the weather, the active weather that's going to be affecting us is coming in from the west, and in advance of that, that's where we've got the situation with the winds. We've got the wind warnings out here, southwest corner of the province, already picking up some stronger winds. They'll be much stronger overnight tonight, and then we have a heavy snowfall warning out for West Kootenay, Slocan Lake area. They're already seeing snowfall there, and they could see 10 to 15 centimeters in the next 12 or 18 hours or so, and that is all going to be eventually making its way into southern Alberta in terms of snowfall come Thursday. But in advance of that, we have these bands of precipitation that are going to be making their way into southern Alberta, starting off with cloud cover and then dragging some precipitation in. But you can see it's not real organized low. The flow is coming directly out of the Pacific. So Vancouver is looking at the next 4 or 5 days of pretty much solid rain shower activity. And then you've got snow in the higher elevations, rain showers in the lower elevations, some mixed precipitation in the bag as well. And we're already starting to see today these bands of cloud move across. There's a little bit of precipitation attached to them, not as much as there will be in the ensuing days. Now, by tomorrow night, we'll get another band of cloud cover moving through, but because our temperature drops in the overnight hours, obviously, we have a chance of seeing late Tuesday night, seeing some precipitation turn into some light snow, and then during the day on Wednesday, when our temperature rises again, we have a chance of seeing some shower activity. But Thursday's the day when the bulk of that precipitation is really going to make its way into southern Alberta. Clear as mud? Yeah, I know. -11 degrees in St. John's right now. Winter storm warnings out all this area here. And then as you look through the Maritimes, southern Quebec, southern Ontario, some pockets of some flurry activity, but they did get a nice mixture of sun and cloud, and they'll have that off and on throughout the next few days as well. -5 in Winnipeg, -10 in Regina, -9 in Saskatoon, -6, and they had a lot of sunshine in Edmonton today. 0 in Kelowna, 6 and damp in Vancouver. Up north in the Yukon, Dempster is in blizzard warning conditions, so of course that's affecting areas up in the northern sector. Now, East Kootenay, you're looking at -4 tonight, 0 for a high tomorrow, periods of snow off and on throughout the day. Crow's Nest Pass looking at windy conditions tonight and mainly cloudy skies tomorrow, some sunshine in the mix, but that late day snow shower is going to be affecting your area as well. Medicine Hat, cloudy tonight, 0 for a low, and then a sun and cloud mix tomorrow, +1 for a daytime high. Here in Lethbridge, we're looking at mainly cloudy skies tonight, down to -3, +2 for a high tomorrow. Partly cloudy throughout the day, but late in the day tomorrow into the evening hours, we do have a chance, although you don't see it in the graphics here, of seeing some evening snowfall tomorrow that I just mentioned. And then on Wednesday, cloudy skies with that chance of shower. Thursday, though, is when we may see some sunny breaks, but basically, we're looking at that snow shower activity and turning to periods of snow on Thursday. And there's your record temperatures for the next few days. We are going to see, boy, just for the next week, just be prepared for up and down temperatures and a mixed bag of conditions. And on Thursday, slow down with that snow. We've been spoiled for the last few days. That's it for me. Have a safe evening, everyone.